We're making mini harvest themed spice cakes. We're using this beautiful mini loaf pan. This is also my first time using this bakeware, which means I'm super excited to show you my first-hand experience. This mini loaf pan has 6 beautiful fall themed impressions. If you're interested, there is a link to this pan down below in the description box. If you'd rather not buy it online, you might be able to find it at Home Goods. Let's take a closer look. There's a cute little turkey, a beautiful fall leaf, a very happy healthy looking pumpkin growing on the vine, another well textured leaf, an adorable chubby squirrel, and of course his dinner, 2 acorns. To get started, we need 3/4 of a cup of melted butter. To our butter, we need 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar. Mix, mix, mix. I will have an ingredients list posted towards the end of this video, and it will also be posted in the description box below. Next, we're going to add in 2 eggs, one at a time, mixing between each addition. By the way, this recipe we're following today comes with the mini loaf pan on the back of the packaging, in case you were curious. In goes 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Another quick mix. Let's add in the spices. We need 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, but we're only going to add in half of the flour at this time. We're going to mix this up real quick and then add in 1/2 cup of milk. Mix, mix, mix. In goes the remaining flour. Give the bowl a good scrape if needed. I'm a messy mixer, so yeah, it was needed. Grab your mini loaf pan and spray the inside with nonstick cooking spray. At least that's what the recipe instructions said to do. The proper use and care section said not to use regular cooking spray. However, baking spray containing flour is okay to use. I think next time I'm just gonna melt some butter, brush it in, and dust it with some flour the old traditional way. Once your pan is ready, spoon in the batter. I use the whole batch into the oven at 350 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes depending on your oven. I went the full 30 minutes. Alright, take a look at that. Nice and hot out of the oven. Oh, and it smells so good. Grab a toothpick and check to make sure it is done. Let them cool in the pan for 10 minutes before turning out onto whatever surface you're working on. I just dump them out. I do want my cakes to sit flat, and as you can see here, that's not quite happening. This is a super easy fix though. Grab a knife and lop off that bump so you're left with a nice flat bottom. This is not necessary though. But if you want a taste test without breaking into a loaf, this is the perfect way to sneak a piece. These were very delicious as is. They didn't need anything else added to it. However, I wouldn't say no to a delicious whiskey sauce. Ooh, or maybe some cream cheese icing. Give these a try and let me know what you think. Here's that ingredients list I promised you. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you all in the next video.